Last video we talked about how I needed some more curly hair products, so Ulta had a giant sale going on that I could not turn down. 30% off. I'm there. So we're gonna go pick up an order that I made online, but first we're gonna take a look around the store. I love and support Sacred from afar. They've got a bunch of new products. I personally don't use honey, so that's why you've never seen me use these products on my channel. And I bought two of these e.l.f. pencils only to realize that they have a 2-pack, so yes, I did exchange so I could get my little $2 back. Wait until we break down the amazingness that is the Got to Be Curled Curly Girl line. And finally, I did have to re-up on the sun care because New York was going through a heat wave, but again, 30% off. I don't even know where to begin. We have so much to update on. This is definitely more of a vlog because I'm just gonna be all over the place. So where we last left off, I was in a rush. I had a failed wash and go, and I was going to an event with Rothy's. So fun, so sweet, so cute, very nicely set up. And I got invited to that event via ShopMy. That's where I do all my affiliate links. So any of the links I share with y'all, that is where it comes from. If you're a content creator as well, or you share affiliate links, you should definitely join ShopMy. I was able to pick out 2 pairs of shoes. They are here. I'm gonna try them on in this video. I'm very excited. I hope they fit because I kind of guessed on my sizing. But on the other side of that, I miraculously came across a product that literally blew me out of the water. So I had a late night trip to CVS, just roaming the aisles, like truly like yada da da da, live for CVS. And I came across this, which is Got to Be, but Got to Be has a curly girl line, which came out last year. So I'm like late to the party, but on a whim, I was like, let me get this styling cream. It's a vegan that stood out to me. I'm always going to reach for that product first. But remember, we love Got to Be over here. Like that is giving me like the best slick down. Literally the best thing ever. The next day, my curls were shiny, defined. Like I wasn't even thinking all of that when I tried this product. I literally was just like, just get me to the next side. I want to see how it is. It's super thick. If you are watching this and you have thinner hair or less dense hair, I'm gonna try to use the right word. Skip this, skip this. This is for the thick-haired girlies. I was in love, absolutely in love, so much so that I went to look at the other line, and that's where this comes in. Let's talk about what's going on with my hair right now. So this is my hair through a week of redoing that braid out over and over. And as y'all know, whenever I do a braid out, the upkeep for that is super, super simple. I just rebraid it every night and spray it with a little water. Now, because I had an insane week of work, I'm working on a set where we're outside for literally the majority of the day. As you can see, I'm also a little bit more tan. New York had a heat wave, and I'm so happy. I love summer. You'll never hear me complain about the heat wave. I lived for it, but I definitely got a lot of color this week. It was actually really good to test out how this said that it could handle your hair and humidity. I was like, well, let's see. Obviously, my hair like wasn't like keeping perfect curls or anything like that, but it definitely held its own. It's definitely time for a wash, but now I know this product is good for me. But as you can see, I need them to not have a 6 ounce. I went to Ulta and I saw that they had more products in this curly line. These products were $7. And I was like, that's really freaking good. Like you can't turn that down. So I got another styling cream. Then I got the Got to Be Curled Flexible Curl Foam. This is the curl defining jelly. Emphasis on light hold. When I saw that, I was like, I don't need that. This hair is not for a light hold. But when I read some of the reviews, people were saying like, oh, it weighed my hair down. Like it, you know, it's just kind of strong hold. When I see a product weigh someone's hair down, I'm like, oh, I need that. Like if you have thick hair, when you see, oh, it weighed my hair down, you're like, that's gonna be perfect for me. So I was like, let's just go for it. So I done got the whole line right here. I also had re-upped some other curly girl products because like I said, I had nothing last week. Now I have a giant surplus. I pay for these all on my own and I don't need another ding dang product going forward. I actually ran out of sunscreen. Like that's how wild it was. So I got another one. I love Vacation. They're one of my favorites. I got Classic Spray SPF 50. Gotta stay protected. The only thing I'm concerned about with this lip tint is the fact that I don't want like a white cast around my lips, but we're just gonna try this because it had SPF. Putting it on for no reason right now because we're indoors. But anyway, this is from Coola. Finally, like I said, I got these. This is the only thing I use for my brows. This set was $6 and buying 2 individual was $8. That is the kind of budget lifestyle I lead. Before all this occurred, I wanted to go back to the original intent for the last video, which was the wash and go. And so I got the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Hold Jelly for dry, dull, and brittle hair. Sign me up. And I want us to see if this could give me a good wash and go. Oh, but there's more. Before I even had gotten these products, I went on Amazon and I re-upped on the Miche Anti-Humidity Gel. And then I was looking back through my other videos for a more affordable option and just to have on hand, Talia Waheed. Y'all remember her? So this is the Curly Curl Cream. Oh, smells so good. I remember this smell. Super thick. And so this cost me like $9. Very, very, very affordable. Tomorrow, we're going to do a wash and go. Tomorrow, we are going to look at some cute shoes. And that'll be the rest of this video. Okay, it's the next day and I just did half of my hair with, surprise, the Moisture and Hold from Carol's Daughter. And I actually love it. I think because it's a jelly, it feels so soft and it's also giving a hold. Very much really, really, really nice defined curls. This is what like we were missing last video. In the actual shower doing this so that my hair could stay super, super wet. So that's why y'all weren't in there. So this is the consistency. It's very jelly-like, which is what it says it is. There is some frizz, but it's minimal. I'm not mad at that. For comparison, this is the other side of my hair. This is just freshly washed. This is the definition that we want. This jelly is good stuff. I'm doing a super duper close up and hopefully you can see the definition. I'm so happy with this. I think it came out really, really, really well. And yay for another product to add to the collection of wash and goes. Okay, now we get to unbox these shoes. Also, did I mention in the last video, this was the gift that they gave us when we were leaving the Rothy's event. We got to choose between two colors. I want to find the style name for this because I don't know if it's being sold right now, but this is such a beautiful color. It's been knit with 100% recycled materials. It's made with marine plastic. I just, again, love the eco-friendly vibe that's going on. So I can't wait to carry this around this spring. Through Shop My, I was able to get connected with Rothy's. Before the event, they sent a gifting link with some shoe options from this new cruiser collection. I chose two of them, which are styles that I don't have currently. And they also have a clog that's really cute too. I just didn't get that. Now, the only thing with the sizing that I'm a little worried about is that some reviews are saying to size up. So I just believed them. And now I'm like thinking like, well, what if the shoe stretches out? So I went with a 7.5. I'm normally a 7.5, but lately I've been a 7. I don't know what's going on. But either way, I've got my two options right here and I'm super excited. They always come with a little mesh shoe bag. Each shoe is made from 8 plastic bottles. These are just so cute and they're so incredibly spring right now. More importantly, they have like a built-in insole, which maybe I'm a grandma, but that matters to be the most. Here's an up close of them. Really cute. I loved the design of these and how they were stripes, but with different colors. Oh my God, why are they so cute? Okay, can you see these? They're so cute and I love them with the pants and they're just like kind of peeking out a little bit. And they feel really, really, really airy and light. There is space in them, so I wonder if I should have gone with the 7, but because of the strap, I know that the shoe's not gonna slide off, which is like one of my biggest pet peeves. Aren't these so cute? So this is the Loafer. These are so cute as well. I went with a lighter color. They're so breathable. I think that's what I love about them. Oh, these feel perfect. Is this a 7.5? This one actually feels more snug. I could see why someone would want to size up for this Loafer and then maybe go with their regular size for the Mary Janes. Okay, now I feel like I need to go over here because they're lighter shoes. So this is how they look. So this is the Loafer. These are so cute and comfortable. And like I said, they have a cushion on the inside, which makes them really comfortable and supportive for my flat feet. I'm a flat feet crew. Officially in love with these and can't wait to wear these out. So what do we learn? This is the end of the video. Wow, what a whirlwind. It was all over the place, but everything turned out well. Definitely be using the Got To Be for all of my braid outs, twist outs, whatever I can think of. And I said I'm locked and loaded with this Carol's Daughter's gel. So we are good. The shop is closed. The funds, they're done. Like I have spent enough on these curly hair products. Let's have a conversation down below. Did you hit up the Ulta sale? I hope it's still happening tomorrow so that if you see anything that I got that you want to get, you can also get it as well. Link down below. We love a deal. This is a budget lifestyle channel. I see $7 and I'm going for it. Like that is an absolute win. And since it's gonna kind of look like I'm a product junkie in this video, this is probably the closest I've gotten to the product junkie world. Are you a product junkie? I feel like I look like I am right now, but I'm not really. Maybe I have denial. Thank y'all as always for watching. Let's have a conversation down below. Hype this up if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.